بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, take out page number 26, Unit 3, The Winter's Sun. Now students, listen carefully. The winter's sun's a grumpy guy. He scarcely gets to see the sky. He doesn't speak. His rays are weak. His dispositions grim and bleak. He hovers near the naked trees. His blanket from the sky's big freeze, and barely dares to lift his head before he is ordered back to bed. Now students, listen carefully. The winter's sun's a grumpy guy. सर्दियों का सूरज एक बदमिजाज आदमी की तरह है, यानी सर्दियों का सूरज एक बदमिजाज आदमी की तरह होता है. He scarcely gets to see the sky. इसे मुश्किल से आसमान देखने को मिलता है. He scarcely gets to see the sky. इसे मुश्किल से आसमान देखने को मिलता है. He doesn't speak. वो नहीं बोलता. His rays are weak. इसकी किरणें या शुआएं कमज़ोर हैं. His dispositions grim and bleak. इसकी कैफियत डरावना और नाखुशगवार है. Disposition means कैफियत, grim means डरावना, and bleak means नाखुशगवार. He hovers near the naked trees. वो घूमता है नंगे दरख्तों के करीब. He hovers near the naked trees. वो नंगे या बेपत्तों दरख्तों के करीब घूमता है. His blanket from the sky's big freeze. इसका कंबल आसमान के साथ जुड़ा रहता है, यानी बादल आसमान के साथ जुड़े रहते हैं. And barely dares to lift his head. और बमुश्किल ही सर उठाने की हिम्मत करता है. Before he is ordered back to bed. इससे पहले कि इसे दोबारा वापस जाने का हुक्म दिया जाए, यानी दोबारा गुरूब हो जाए. Now students, page number 29, part B, Gapped summary. Fill in the gaps with suitable words from the text. In the poem, the poet describes that sun is just like humans. Sun has its good and bad days. In winter season, the sun hardly appears on the sky. In winter, the rays of the sun are weak, and it seems as if the sun is angry and does not want to show to anyone. Similarly, in winters, all the leaves fall from the trees all day long until the sun sets in the evening. The sunlight is gloomy and the weather is cold. Students, fill all these blanks with suitable words from the text. Students, your homework is due page number 29. Do these blanks in books. This is your homework. Your homework is due page number 29 in book, and share with us in WhatsApp group. Students, this was today's lesson. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.